children. Today we are going to learn EVS subject. In EVS subject we are going to learn, yes, rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals. Where do we live? Yes, we live on earth. We live on earth. Earth is mostly made of rocks. Earth is mostly made of rocks. Rocks are hard, solid parts of the earth. Rocks are hard, solid parts of the earth. Rocks are found everywhere. Yes, children. Can you see mountains, hills, valleys are made of rocks. Mountains, hills and valleys are made of rocks. Okay, children. Have you seen stones and pebbles? Yes, stones and pebbles are small pieces of rocks. Stones and pebbles are small pieces of rocks. Even the soil and sand are very good. Soil and sand are made of tiny particles of rocks. The soil and sand are made of tiny particles of rocks. Rocks are found under the soil. Rocks are found under the soil and at the bottom of the rivers and seas. Children, now we will learn different types of rocks. Children, we have seen different kinds of rocks around us. Yes, rocks are of different sizes, shapes and colors. Rocks are of different sizes, shapes and colors. Most of the rocks are hard. Most of the rocks are hard. But few rocks are soft. Few rocks are soft. Now we will learn about hard rocks. Ready? Children, have you visited the famous monument Taj Mahal? No? Yes, today we are going to visit our famous monument. Shall we visit the place now? Are you ready? Yes. Can you see now? I am standing in front of our famous monument Taj Mahal in Agra. Children, this Taj Mahal is made of white marble. Can you see the beautiful white marble shining? Yes, this Taj Mahal is made of white marble. Very good, children. Today we are going to learn about marble. Marble is a hard rock. Marble is a hard rock. It is used for making floors, for constructing monuments and buildings. Also, marbles are used for making statues. I hope you all enjoyed visiting this beautiful monument. Isn't it, children? Okay. Now, can you see Situ is cleaning her kitchen counter. Shall we look into the counter now? If you look here, children, these kitchen slabs are made of granite. Yes, granite is a very hard rock. Granite is a very hard rock. It shines and looks attractive when polished. It shines and looks attractive when polished. Granite comes in different colors: white, grey, black and pink, etc. Okay, children, can you see the different colors of granite? Okay, children. Also, granites like large sized granites are used for making floors. Yes, can you see the floor made of granite? Granites are also used in making kitchen counters or kitchen slabs. Children, now we will visit Very important place. Yes, our Prime Minister used to hoist our national flag during Independence Day and Republic Day. Yes, what you guessed was right. Red Fort. Children, can you see Red Fort? Red Fort is made of red sandstone. Red Fort is made of red sandstone. Sandstone is a hard rock but not as hard as marbles or granites. Okay children, sandstones are used for constructing buildings. Red Fort is the best example for red sandstone. Children, so far we learned about hard rocks. Yes, marbles, granites and sandstones are examples for hard rocks. These hard rocks are used for making floors, walls, constructing buildings, statues. Yes. Okay children. So we learned about hard rocks. Now we will learn about soft rocks. I told you most rocks are hard but some rocks are soft. Yes, we are going to learn about soft rocks now. Ready? Slate is a soft grey rock. Slate is a soft grey rock which is used in blackboards and slates for writing. Also, slate is used in tiles and roofs of houses. Can you see the picture? Yes, slate is a soft rock, grey colored soft rock. Children, now we will learn about shale. Shale is a soft rock which is used in statues, paints, bricks and plastics. Okay. Yes children, chalk or limestone is used to write on blackboards. Now, can you see rock salt? Rock salt are edible. It will add taste to food. Okay. So far we learned about very good soft rocks. Slate, shale, limestone or chalk and then rock salt. Okay. All rocks are made of minerals. All rocks are made of minerals. Most of the rocks are made up of 2 or more minerals, children. Most of the rocks are made up of 2 or more minerals. Yes, minerals too have different sizes, shapes and colors. We use minerals in our daily life. Now, we will learn about some minerals and their uses. Now, can you see Tina is wearing a ring in her finger? Yes. Tina, can you show the ring to me? Yes, children. This ring is a diamond ring. Can you see diamond? Diamond is the hardest mineral on the earth. Yes, children. Diamond is the hardest mineral on the earth. Diamond is used in jewelry like this. Also, it is used for cutting glasses because it is the hardest mineral, isn't it? So, it is used for cutting glasses. Diamonds are used in jewelry like rings, earring, necklace, chains and so on. And can you see the gold? Yes, which is holding the diamond. Very good. Gold is also a mineral. Even we can use diamond in silver. Silver and gold are minerals. They are also used in jewelry. Thank you, Tina. Yes, children, now we learned about diamond. Diamond is the hardest mineral on the earth. It is used in jewelry and for cutting glasses. Gold and silver are also minerals. They are used in jewelry. When you look into this classroom, can you see every child? They are using pencil to take their notes. Yes, children. Shall I ask you one question? Have you seen the black color lead in the pencil? Yes. Graphite is a black colored soft mineral which is used to make pencil leads. Graphite is used to make, yes, pencil leads. It is a black colored soft mineral. Always remember, children, the pencil which you use and the pencil lead is made of graphite. The pencil lead is made of graphite. Graphite is a black colored soft mineral which is used to make pencil leads. Clear? Now, children, can you see the nail on the wall? Yes. Nails are made of iron. Nails are made of iron. Iron is used to make nails and utensils. Children, can you see some utensils in front of me? Yes, these are made of copper. Copper is also a mineral which is used in making utensils and other objects. So, iron and copper are used to make utensils and other objects. Iron is particularly used to make nails. Yes. Coal is a black rock which is used in making fire. Yes, that is used for cooking purposes in villages. Children, can you see the place? Yes, it is a power plant where coal is used to produce electricity. Yes, children, we are getting electricity, current, electric supply from coal. Yes, this is the place to get electricity from coal. So, coal is a soft rock which is used in making fire and to produce or generate electricity. Can you see the crockery items in front of me? Yes, these crockery items are made of an important item. Yes, china clay. China clay, it is soft and used to make crockery, paper and electrical wires. Yes, children, you would have seen flower vases. Yes, even these flower vases are made of china clay. China clay is very soft and it is used to make crockeries like these flower vases and paper, electrical wires. Yes, have you ever seen this talcum powder which Ritu is using now? Very good. Even your mom will use this talcum powder. Talc is the soft mineral which is used to make talcum powder. Talc is the softest mineral which is used to make talcum powder. We will use perfumed talcum powder at our home. Yes. Can you recollect? Okay, children. Now, so far we learned about minerals. Rocks are made up of minerals. Most of the rocks are made of 2 or more minerals. Minerals are of different colors, sizes and shapes. We use minerals in our day-to-day life. Now, shall we recollect all the minerals which we saw now? Yes, diamond, the hardest mineral on the earth. It is used in jewelry and very good for cutting glasses. Next, we saw gold and silver. Gold and silver are minerals used in jewelry and to make coins. Next, we saw graphite. Yes, you should always keep it in mind. You will be using pencil to write, isn't it? The pencil lead is made of graphite. black colored soft mineral. I have shown you nail. Yes, nails are made of iron. Also, iron and copper are used to make utensils and other objects. Coal is used in making fire, which is used to produce electricity in power plants. And next we learnt about, very good, can you guess? China clay, which is used to make flower vases, crockeries, potteries and paper, electric wires too. At the last we saw talcum powder. Talc is used to make talcum powder. The softest mineral is talc. Can I ask you one question? The hardest mineral? Diamond. Softest mineral? Talc. Children, so far we learnt about different types of minerals and their uses. Now we will learn about gemstones. Yes, gemstones are very hard and precious minerals. Gemstones are very hard and precious minerals. They are also called precious stones. These gemstones are very expensive. Yeah. Can you see the gemstones? These hard precious minerals are cut into different sizes and shapes and then polished. These polished minerals are beautiful and shiny. Polishing makes the gemstones more shiny. After polishing the minerals, the gemstones are now ready to be used in jewelry. Now we will see some examples of gemstones. Okay. Can you see? Yes, the red colored ruby, green colored emerald, blue colored sapphire. We will see some other gemstones. Garnet, topaz and aquamarine. Okay children, these gemstones are used in making jewelry and they are very expensive. Children, we are at a jewelry shop now. We learned about minerals. Now we are going to see minerals. Ready? Shall we see the minerals? Okay. Can you see? It is a diamond ring. It is a diamond ring. I told you diamond is the hardest mineral. Diamond is the hardest mineral. It is used in making jewelry. It is used in making jewelry. Diamonds are used in making jewelry. Yes, this is a diamond ring. Now, can you see? It is a diamond necklace. And these are diamond earrings. Diamond is the hardest mineral. It is used in making jewelry. Okay. Now, I told you silver is also a mineral which is used in making jewelry. This is a silver chain. Can you see the silver chain? It is also used in making coins. It is also used in making coins. Now we will see gemstones, children. Gemstones are very expensive. After polishing, gemstones are ready to used in jewelry. This is pearl. It is a gemstone. Yes, red color ruby. Red colored ruby. This is green colored emerald. Green colored emerald. Yes, it is yellow sapphire. It is yellow sapphire. Now we are going to see blue sapphire. Yes. Have you understood now, children? Gemstones are very expensive. They are polished. After polishing, gemstones will have shiny appearance and then now they are ready to be used in jewelry. Can you see the showroom? Yes. Can you see the minerals? Thank you, children. Children, shall we go for the quick recap? In today's class, we learned about rocks, hard rocks and soft rocks. Hard rocks, yes, we learned about marble, granite and sandstone. Taj Mahal is the best example for white marble. Marble is a hard rock which is used for making buildings, flooring, statues. Granite. Granite is used in making kitchen counters, kitchen slabs, and it is very hard rock. It looks attractive and shiny when it is polished. And then we visited a place, yes, Red Fort. Very important place, which is made of red sandstone. Sandstone is also a hard rock, but not as hard as marble and granite. Okay. Sandstones are used for making buildings. And then we learned about soft rocks. Slate is a soft rock which is used in making blackboards and slates for writing. Also, slates are used in tiles and roofs of houses. Shale is used in making buildings, paints, bricks and plastics. Limestone or chalk is a soft rock which is used to write on blackboards. Rock salt is edible. It is used in flavoring food. It is used to add taste to the food. And what are rocks made of? Rocks are made up of minerals. Most of the rocks are made of 2 or more minerals. Minerals are of different sizes, shapes and colors. We use minerals in our daily life. For example, diamond is the hardest mineral which is used in jewelry and for cutting glasses. Gold and silver are also minerals which are used in jewelry and for making coins. Graphite, very good, which is used in pencil lead. Iron and copper are used in making utensils and other objects. Iron is particularly used to make nails. Coal is used in making fire, which is used for cooking purposes in villages. Also, we generate electricity from coal. Where do we generate electricity from coal? Yes, in power plants. And next we learned about, very good, china clay is used in making crockeries, flower vases, paper and electrical wires. Talc is the softest mineral which is used to make talcum powder. And at last we learnt about gemstones. Gemstones are very hard and precious minerals. These minerals are cut into different sizes and shapes and then polished. After polishing, they look beautiful and attractive with shiny glow. After polished, these gemstones are now ready to be used in jewelry. Yes, gemstones after polishing, they are ready to use in jewelry. For example, some gemstones are ruby, emerald, sapphire, topaz, garnet and aquamarine. Okay children, have you understood about rocks and minerals? So from this you understood rocks are everywhere around us and minerals are very useful to us. So it is our duty now we to revise the hard minerals. Diamond, D-I-A-M-O-N-D. O-N-D, diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. Graphite, G-R-A-P-H-I-T-E, graphite. G-R-A-P-H-I-T-E, graphite. Copper, C-O-P-P-E-R, copper. C-O-P-P-E-R, copper. Utensils, U-T-E-N-S-I-L-S, utensils. U-T-E-N-S-I-L-S, utensils. Talcum powder, T-A-L-C-U-M, talcum, P-O-W-D-E-R, powder. T-A-L-C-U-M, talcum, P-O-W-D-E-R, powder. Gemstones, G-E-M-S-T-O-N-E-S, gemstones. G-E-M-S-T-O-N-E-S, gemstones. Ruby, R-U-B-Y, ruby. R-U-B-Y, ruby. Emerald, E-M-E-R-A-L-D, emerald. E-M-E-R-A-L-D, emerald. Sapphire, S-A-P-P-H-I-R-E, sapphire. S-A-P-P-H-I-R-E, sapphire. Children, all take page number 83. Now we will read our book pages. Minerals. Ready? Rocks are made up of one or more types of minerals. Minerals too are of different sizes, shapes and colors. We use minerals in our day-to-day life. Diamond, gold, silver, graphite, iron, copper, mica and coal are some examples of minerals. Diamond is the hardest known rock mineral on the earth. It is used in jewelry and for cutting glass. Gold and silver are also used for making jewelry and coins. Graphite is a black colored soft mineral. It is used for making pencil leads. Iron and copper are used to make utensils and other objects. Coal is a black rock. It is used for making fire. It is also used in the production of electricity. China clay is used for making crockery, paper and electrical wires. Talc is the softest mineral. It is used to make talcum powder. Gemstones. Gemstones are very hard minerals. They come in different colors and are extremely expensive. They are cut into different shapes and sizes and then polished. Polishing gives a shine to the gemstones, which are ready to be used in making jewelry. Ruby, sapphire, emerald, garnet, topaz and aquamarine are a few gemstones. Please open your EVS textbook. Take page number 84. Checkpoint. Write T for true and F for false. Okay. First question. Minerals are made up of rocks. True or false? False. Rocks are made up of minerals. But in question, yes, minerals are made up of rocks. So that is wrong. False. Second question. Slate and chalk are examples of hard rock. Children, very good. False. Slate and chalk are examples of soft rock, right? So, false. You should write F. Third question. Talc is the hardest mineral known. False. We all know diamond is the hardest mineral, but here talc is given, so false. F. Question number 4. Small and round stones are called pebbles. Yes, true. So, very good. You should write capital T. Fifth question. China clay and talc are rocks. False. China clay and talc are minerals. But in question they have given rocks. So, false. Capital F. Now, please move to page number 85. Objective type questions. Encircle the correct answer. Roman number A. Encircle the correct answer. First question. Which of these is the softest mineral? And the options are marble, granite, talc, limestone. Yes, softest mineral is talc. Now second question, children. Which of these is not used in making jewelry? Now the options are chalk, gold, silver, ruby. Yes, chalk is used to write on boards, while gold, silver and ruby are used in making jewelry. So in question, they asked which of these is not used in making jewelry. Very good. Chalk is the correct answer. Now take page number 86. A rock is made up of one or more minerals. Now fourth question, children. Question number 4. Talc is used for making dash. Talc is used for making dash. And the options are coal, talcum powder, rock salt, roofs. Yes, talc is used for making talcum powder. Very good, children. Which of these is the hardest material? Which of these is the hardest material? And the options are talc, shale, diamond, graphite. Yes, diamond is the hardest material. Now sixth question, children. Pencil lead is made up of dash. Pencil lead is made up of dash. And the options: graphite, granite, chalk, coal. Yes, graphite. Pencil lead is made up of graphite. Unjumble the words and match the following. One is done for you. First one, diamond, hardest rock mineral. Second question, children. Shall we write the correct word? Yes, slate. S-L-A-T-E, slate. And the match, yes, blackboard. Slate is used in making blackboard. Third question. Rock salt. R-O-C-K, rock. S-A-L-T, salt. Rock salt. Shall we match rock salt with the correct option? Yes, flavoring food. Now fourth question. Copper. C-O-P-P-E-R, copper. C-O-P-P-E-R, copper. Shall we match copper with the correct option? Very good. Utensils. Copper is used in making utensils. Now fifth question. Ruby. R-U-B-Y, ruby. Shall we match with correct option? Gemstone. Roman number C. Circle the names of the following 9 rocks, minerals and gemstones in the word grid. One is done for you. Now, children, it is your turn to circle the words from the word grid. Granite, talc, iron, rock salt, sandstone, sapphire, shale, chalk, ruby. Roman number 2. Answer the following questions. First question. What are rocks? Give an example each of a hard rock and a soft rock. Solid and hard materials present under the soil or below the sea. Example: hard rock, marble. Soft rock, slate. question, children. What are gemstones? Give two examples. Gemstones are hard and precious minerals used in jewelry. Example, ruby, emerald. Again, I repeat the answer. Gemstones are hard and precious minerals used in jewelry. Example, ruby, emerald. Question number 3. Write one use of each of the following. Write one use of each of the following. A. Marble in making buildings. In making buildings. B. Slate in blackboards. In blackboards. C. Silver in jewelry making. Silver in jewelry making. D. Topaz in jewelry. Topaz is used in jewelry. E. Iron to make utensils. To make utensils. Thank you, children.